All right, we are rolling. Good morning, Minnesota. It is Monday, July 14th, and welcome to my first forecast. As we can see on our live radar here, we still have that air quality alert, but it is a lot better out today. I've been outside, it feels a lot better, even though you can still see the smoke from those Canadian wildfires. But the uh, air quality index here in St. Paul is only 118, which is significantly better than yesterday, but still pretty bad. Um, is considered unhealthy for sensitive groups, so mask up if you need to go outside if you're in those sensitive groups. Um, try to stay inside if you are. They are letting it expire though, so we do have that uh, that advantage there. We do have already, it looks like the start of some storms up north. I'm actually kind of surprised I'm seeing this already. I was going to talk about how it is very hot and humid and will continue to be, especially in the cities, um, for the next couple days. It's one of those build up to a thunderstorm situations, and we are supposedly going to be getting the majority of our storms on Tuesday night going into Wednesday. I will touch more on that tomorrow because we will have more certainty on that. And when I actually was writing my notes for this, northern Minnesota was not projected to get their thunderstorms starting until later tonight. So that's why I'm kind of surprised to see what's going on in Grand Rapids at the time of recording this at about 11. Um, so there's that. Uh, I did my notes on that part from a Bring Me the News article. I will link this in the description. And um, yeah, they were anticipating later tonight. I was also anticipating later tonight, but surprise. All right, so moving on to the SPC outlooks. It's pretty much exactly what I was talking about. We do have a general risk for the majority of like southern and central Minnesota for severe weather. The marginal risk in northern Minnesota, again, seems like that may or may not be starting. There is a trough coming over the Rockies right now that is causing this. I am hoping eventually to, as I continue doing this, gain the knowledge to explain exactly what is going on with better words than that. That being said, these storms, they aren't exactly anticipated to cause tornadoes, as you can see here. There's no areas where there are tornado-like probabilities, nothing along those lines. However, they are probably going to be pretty windy, pretty hail intensive slash possible. Um, yeah, pretty normal July thunderstorms for Minnesota. Pretty much the northern area is going to get it tonight, and the next couple days will be where central Minnesota, the rest of Minnesota starts to get their really spicy uh, thunderstorm activity. There may or may not be, I believe I saw, I don't have it. Oh, yes, I do have it readily available. Surprise. Yes, tomorrow is more, we're probably going to get more storms tomorrow here in Minnesota, in the central, even the North Shore area, as well as cities, southern Minnesota, etc. We'll get more um, severe storms. There is a small tornado risk, but currently it does not include any parts of Minnesota. There is a chance I will have a chaser on the ground for those. I probably will not be able to go live tomorrow just due to my concert band practice, but um, from our discussions, there may be a chance that I will be going live Wednesday with her on the ground chasing. So yeah, that is my first daily forecast. Hope you all enjoyed. I am very much not an expert on this, so definitely take my forecasting with a grain of salt. Verify it. Check out that Bring Me the News article that I've linked below, and have a great rest of your day. Stay hydrated with the heat and humidity in the next couple days. Later.